Let us solve the long questions. So that the tangent at p x1 y1 on the curve is root x plus root y is equal to root a is given. The answer is given here. So rough diagram. This is a curve. Phi is equal to f of x, and at this particular point p is given. P is x1 y1. So already we know the tangent equation formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1. So to get m value, differentiate the given curve with respect to x both sides. So d of dx of root x plus root y is equal to d of dx of root x. So derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root y is 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx. Derivative of constant is 0. So here multiplying both sides with 2, these 2 gets cancels, and dy by dx value 1 by root y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root x. Dy by dx is equal to minus root y by root x. Now we know the value of m. M is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1. So this is root y1 by root x1. So m is there, already point is given x1 y1. So when point and slope are given, equation of the tangent, substitute the given equation, y minus y1 is equal to minus root y1 divided by root x1 into x minus x1. Cross multiply, you will get root x1 into y minus root x1 y1 is equal to minus root y1x plus root y1 x1. Bring this term to this side and this term to this side. You will get root y1 x plus root x1 y is equal to root x1 y1 plus root y1 x1. This to take root x1 y1 common, root x1 and root y1 common, you will get, in this one if I take root y1 common, again I will get 1 root y1 plus, here also if I take root x1 common from that one, I will take root x1. So root x1 root y1, again since point lies on the curve, this point lies on the tangent as well as on the curve, substitute the given point in the curve, from that I will get root x1 plus root y1 is equal to root x. Use this result in the given problem. So here you will get root x1 plus root y1 is equal to root a. Now divide both sides with this particular term, right hand side term. So on division you will get root y1x divided by root x1 root y1 plus root x1y divided by root x1 root y1 is equal to root. So here root y1 gets cancelled, root x1 cancels. So on simplification, the final answer will be, see, if I take this term to numerator, that will become x1 to the power of minus 1 by 2 into x, plus if I take this term to numerator, y1 to the power of minus 1 by 2y is equal to root a. This is the required answer. Okay, next, see this question. Show that the curves x square plus y square is equal to and 3x square plus y square is equal to 4x have common tangents at the point 1, 1. So this is the rough diagram. Here this is the first curve and this is the second curve. So this is one, this is second curve. At this particular point, this curve and this curve have same common tangent, means if we prove m1 is equal to m2, మొదటి వక్రం యొక్క వాలు రెండవ వక్రం యొక్క వాలు సమానం అయితే బిందువు అనేది కామన్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మనం ఉమ్మడి స్పర్శరేఖను చూపెట్టినట్టు అవుతుంది. సో ఫర్ దట్ differentiate 1 with respect to 1 both sides. Differentiate 1 with respect to x both sides. So d of dx of x square plus y square is equal to d of dx of 2. Again x square derivative is 2x plus y square derivative is 2y into dy by dx. Derivative of constant is 0. Again here 2 gets cancels. From here we get y into dy by dx is equal to minus x, dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Now m1, slope of the first curve, dy by dx at 1, 1 point is given. So this is minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 1. Now differentiate 2 with respect to x both sides. So second curve is 3x square plus, here I will do here. Differentiate 2 with respect to x both sides. D of dx 3x square plus y square is equal to 4 constant derivative of x. Now derivative of 3x square, 3 constant, x square derivative is 2x plus y square derivative 2y, again y derivative is dy by dx is equal to 4, derivative of x is 1. Overall again I can cancel 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 2. On simplification I will get y into dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 3x dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 3x divided by y. This is m2. m2 is equal to dy by dx at 1, 1. So on simplification, 2 minus 3 into 1 3 divided by y is 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 1 means minus 1. Now see m1 is equal to minus 1 and m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore the curves have common tangent at p1, 1. This is the important problem. See, this is the question. If the tangent at any point P and the curve equation is given, intersect the coordinate axis in A and B, then show that the length of AB is constant. So this is the curve at particular point P. We are assuming that as x1, y1. A tangent is drawn and this tangent is intersecting x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Then our aim is to prove AB is equal to some constant. So this is the question. So for that first part, since this point lies on the tangent as well as the curve, so from that I will get x1 to the power of 2 by 3 plus y1 to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3. So to find the tangent equation, we know the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is equal to dy by dx at x1 value. So differentiate this curve both sides with respect to x. From that I will get derivative of x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to derivative of a to the power of 2 by 3. So derivative of x to the power of 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 into x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 plus derivative of y to the power of 2 by 3 is 2 by 3 y to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 into dy by dx, that is equal to derivative of constant a0. Again here also this 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 gets cancelled. So x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 means x to the power of, after simplification I will get this as minus 1 by 3 plus y to the power of minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now y to the power of minus 1 by 3 dy by dx is equal to minus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 so dy by dx is equal to minus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 divided by y to the power of minus 1 by 3. So bring this term to denominator and this term to numerator. Here you will get y power 1 by 3 divided by x power 1 by 3. So finally m is equal to, we know, dy by dx at x1 y1. So from that I will get, here minus symbol is there, minus y1 to the power of 1 by 3 divided by x1 to the power of 1 by 3. Now find the equation of the tangent here. So on substitution in y minus y1 is equal to m means y1 to the power of 1 by 3 divided by x1 to the power of 1 by 3 into x minus x1. On cross multiplication you will get x1 to the power of 1 by 3 into y minus y1 x1 to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to, bring this term to within the bracket. From that I will get minus y1 to the power of 1 by 3 into x plus y1 to the power of 1 by 3 into x1. So bring this term to this side and this term to this side. So you will get y1 to the power of 1 by 3 into x plus x1 to the power of 1 by 3 into y. This is equal to y1 to the power of x1 to the power of 1 by 3 plus y1 to the power of 1 by 3 into x1. From this, if I take common, x1 to the power of 1 by 3 into y1 to the power of 1 by 3 common. From y1, if I take y1 to the power of 1 by 3, y1 to the power of 2 by 3 remains. Again from x1, if I take x1 to the power of 1 by 3 common, here I will get x1 to the power of 2 by 3. Now this is x1 to the power of 1 by 3, y1 to the power of 1 by 3 into, using the concept first relation, this I will get a to the power of 2 by 3. Now divide both sides with this particular term here. From that I will get y1 to the power of 1 by 3x plus x1 to the power of 1 by 3 y. Dividing both sides with particular this term means here I will get x1 to the power of 1 by 3, y1 to the power of 1 by 3 into a to the power of 2 by 3. Here also x1 to the power of 1 by 3, y1 to the power of 1 by 3, a to the power of 2 by 3. This is equal to this whole term by that one means I will get 1 here. Here again y1 to the power of 1 by 3, this will be cancelled. Here x1 to the power of 1 by 3, x1 to the power of 1 by 3 cancels. Now this is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So this is a x-intercept and this is y-intercept. If I know these two, so this particular point becomes a comma 0, and this particular point becomes 0 comma b. Now since we have to find AB value, AB is equal to, I will get root of a square plus b square. One simplifying, a square means this particular term means x1 to the power of 2 by 3 into a to the power of 4 by 3 plus b square means y1 to the power of 2 by 3, a to the power of 4 by 3. So again in these two I can take a to the power of 4 by 3 common, a to the power of 4 by 3 common, remaining terms are x1 to the power of 2 by 3 plus y1 to the power of 2 by 3. Again, since the point lies on the curve, this value already we have calculated. This is a to the power of 4 by 3 into a to the power of 2 by 3. ఫైనల్గా సూక్ష్మీకరించినప్పుడు ఈ రెండు ఎల్సిఎం ఏ పవర్ m into a power n is a power m plus n. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 means 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means here a square. This is finally, this is a. So length of the AB here, this is a, which means this is constant. So this is also similar problem. If the tangent at any point P to this curve meet the coordinate axis A and B, the tangent intersects the coordinate axis at A and B. And at this particular point P, tangent is drawn x1 y1. If this length is A, this coordinate becomes a comma 0, and if this length is b, this point becomes 0 comma. Now show that AP is to BP is constant. AP is to BP. We have to prove this as constant. So further that APB are collinear here. APB are collinear. APBలు సరైక్యాలు అయినట్లయితే మనకు సూత్రం తెలుసు. AP is to PB is equal to A minus x1 is to x1 minus 0. Using this formula we are going to solve this problem. First to find the equation of the tangent. Already you know the formula. equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is equal to formula dy by dx at x1. So to find dy by dx from this curve equation, take log both sides. Taking log both sides, I will get log x to the power of m y to the power of n is equal to log a to the power of m plus n. So using logarithm formulas, this can be written as this is as it is. Again using one more logarithm formula, log x power m means m log x, this will come front side using logarithm formulas. So this is m log x plus n log y is equal to, I am writing this term as it is because this is constant term. I am not going to change anything from here. Now on simplification, okay, simplification is over. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So here m as it is, log x derivative is 1 by x plus n as it is, log y derivative is 1 by y, dy by dx is equal to derivative of constant is 0. So here n by y dy by dx is equal to minus m by x, or dy by dx is equal to minus my divided by nx. Now find out the slope here. We know m is equal to formula dy by dx at x1 y1. On substitution, you will get the slope as minus m y1 divided by nx1. Now find the equation of the tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to minus m y1 divided by nx1 into x minus x1. Again on cross multiplication, you will get nx1 y minus nx1 y1, this is equal to minus my1x plus my1x1. Again take this term to this side and this term to this side. From that I will get my1x plus nx1 y1, nx1 y is equal to, if I bring this term to this side, nx1 y1 plus my1x1. Now simplify right hand side value. Here from this I will get x1 y1 common, remaining terms of m plus n. So reduce this equation into intercept form. For that, divide both sides with this particular term. From that I will get my1x divided by x1 y1 m plus n plus nx1 y divided by x1 y1 into m plus n. This is equal to same term by same term means 1 I will get. Here again y1 gets cancelled, x1 gets cancelled. So this can be written as x divided by x1 m plus n divided by m. This term goes to numerator. Again y divided by y1 into m plus n divided by n is equal to 1. Now this is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is equal to a and this is equal to b. Now calculate AP to PB, that is given as a minus x1 is to x1 minus 0 means x1. Substitute here. A means x1 into m plus n divided by m ratio x1. Here I will get a minus x1 term, this one. So here I am say taking LCM here. I am taking m as LCM. This is mx1 plus nx1 minus mx1 ratio x1. Again mx1 cancels. So this is nx1 by m is to x1. In the ratio I can cancel similar term, x1 gets cancelled here, and on multiplication both sides with m. So this finally I will get this term as m multiplying m here, cancels, n is to m into 1 is mm. So AP is to PM, that we got n is to m, which is constant.